We're out here today putting up a weather station. It's a device that measures temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. The hope is what we learn in Baltimore will be applicable to basically all the cities on the east coast of the US, where we're all facing the same changing climate, extreme flooding, extreme heat. We've got a network of observations set up, and now we're going to go and do the important science. We're also doing a lot of community engagement, education, and in fact, a lot of it's changed to focus on the community need for these, to educate themselves and have their own data so that they know what the conditions are. It was a 5-year research grant from the Department of Energy. Just finishing year 3, and we're being defunded that year 4 we're going to get 25% and nothing for year 5. And so we've got to start planning ahead with finding other funding or making the most of what we have. When I first started going out to the community asking if I could put up weather stations, I heard multiple times that the last thing they want is someone to come in, put up an instrument and then collect their data and then go away. Although the funding's gone, it's actually made me double down. I'm still going to be around. I'm not going to walk away from it.